Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Elon. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I'm talking about my hair today. As you can see, it's different. I have added extensions to my ends. So this is the new look that I am rocking. It's about a week old, I would say. So I just wanted to share with you this new look that I have right now. And so I know probably some of you are wondering, why would I put extensions in my hair? And this is why. I have loose ends and it's summertime and it's hot as balls, okay? So I'm swimming every single day, almost every single day. And washing my hair can be quite a task. So I like to keep my ends protected. So I just decided to add extensions. It just hit me and said, you know what? Let me just add extensions to the ends of my locks that are loose. That way I can just protect them. So I actually tested this a couple of days ago when I went swimming, and it held up like a dream. Only a few unrattled, but none of the extensions came out. So if you're interested in how I did this style, then let me know. If I get more than 5 comments about how to do this style, I'll be happy to show you how to do it. I'll make a video on it. But right now, I guess I'll just tell you how I did it. I just take my loose natural hair. If I could just I'm not gonna take this out of the extension, but I'm gonna unloop it because I wanna show you how I did it. So, let's see here. I'm gonna unwind it. So here you go. My loose hair goes from about here to here. So I braided the hair into my loose hair, and then I just take it, much like I do it with my natural hair when I don't have extensions, and I just wrap it around the lock, and then I pull it through the loop, like so. Yeah, pull it through the loop, and voila. So I did that throughout my entire head, and there we go. So actually I decided to combine a couple more locks. So this is on its way to becoming, see, it's already locked up here. And I did that with another one back here, so it's on its way. I guess I'm in the combining mode because I love thick locks, y'all. I just love them thick. So I just combined these two as well over here today. So they're on their way to being conjoined. I actually started rebanding again because I really enjoy how my hair looks when it's banded, how it morphs into thickness, the thickness of the locks. It just makes my locks a little bit thicker. So I started banding again, and I like it. It kind of keeps them in place. So that's really all, y'all. That's really it. So yeah, this is a really quick video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to pop in and let you know how I'm doing with my hair. I really enjoy my hair. Before I wrap it up, I'll tell you what I'm doing with it lately. I've been using a different spray on my hair because every time I washed my hair, I would get like dandruff, or I would get like white flakes, you know, after I washed it. Like the scalp, I guess you could say, would the dead scalp would kind of be laying on top of my head, you know, and you know, it was gross. It got on my nerves, but it would happen each time ever since I have been locked, and I was like, I guess this is normal, you know. But after I have been using this spray that I concocted together, I don't have that issue anymore. And so I have been using, it's clove water and clove oil with rosemary essential oil, and yeah, that's it. So it's rosemary essential oil, clove water, and clove oil. I've been putting that on my scalp like every other day, and I don't have that issue anymore. So if you're having issues with dry scalp or flaky scalp or whatever, that might be helpful. So letting you know that. I also have been clarifying my hair before I shampoo it or clean it, you know, with shampoo, with apple cider vinegar, which makes my hair super soft and strong. I love apple cider vinegar. I don't know why I haven't been using it from the jump off, because it has really fortified my hair and made it feel more balanced, pH balance, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it, everyone. So yeah, that's my video, and short and sweet. And thank you so much for stopping by and listening. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description below, and subscribe if it compels you. All right, love you guys. Thank you to my old subscribers, and thank you to my new subscribers. Mwah. Bye.